Well, hello there. It is Nicholas, aka NootNoot, aka TheNootLinja. And this might be a little bit of a weird face, and not just because I shaved, because baby face. But also because you guys haven't seen me in a while. Especially if you didn't follow me over to Twitch when I left YouTube. Or I shouldn't say left, when I stopped making tech reviews on YouTube. And you guys all know, obviously I've talked about it, I stopped making YouTube videos because I got really burnt out on how long I was spending on videos, and I was spending way too much time doing that, and I started not enjoying it. Long story short, I stopped making videos on YouTube. But I've also stopped making Twitch content now because I was spending too much time streaming. And I had other stuff that I was working on, projects that were taking up time, so when I'm spending 6 hours streaming, you know what, it's funny, it went off the last time that I was filming too. But essentially, I stopped making Twitch content because when I was streaming for 6 hours and then wanting to work on projects, and I wanted to work on those for another like 4 to 5 hours, and then also I have a wife, so I'm spending time with her, and I have dogs, and I want to spend time with them because they're like my fur children. And I was being put in this position where if I wanted to do everything I wanted to do, I was staying up until like 3 in the morning. And as you guys know, I love entertaining people. I love making videos. I love doing live streams. I love all of it. But recently, I've put myself in this position where I've started to think I have to think about my future. Twitch is fun. Twitch is a hobby, okay? But if Twitch starts affecting like my time that I love learning. Some of you guys may or may not know this. I love learning new skills. And that's why I started to get into software. A lot of you only know me as a hardware guy. I've been doing lots and lots of coding, different stuff, Python, C++. Right now I'm working in web development, and I've really been enjoying it. And I take back everything I've ever said about hardware or about software. I love it. It's amazing. It feels like I can just create whatever I want, and I don't have to pay to go learn something new. With technology or with hardware, I was having to like pay if I wanted to like play around with new stuff. I can wake up any day of the week and be like, I want to learn something new in software side. And be like, today I'm going to learn C#, or today I'm going to learn C++, or today I'm going to learn more Python stuff. And it's just mind-blowing to me. I'm not used to being in front of a camera trying to keep things quick and concise. So please forgive me for the rambling, because I'm going to ramble for at least the first... Who am I kidding? I'm going to ramble always. But basically what this video is me saying is that I want to get back to YouTube videos. Not on any schedule. No schedule whatsoever. That is the one thing I want to hold myself to, is that I don't want a schedule whatsoever. What I do want is, when I'm working on a project, not to have a time frame, but to say, okay, if I'm doing this project, then I'll record a video for it, and then I'll put myself on like this kind of like, I want to get out a video about this. But I want no schedule, which is what I should have done when I came back to Twitch. What I should have done, and I know I kind of did it, but I didn't hold myself to it because you guys know I'm a whore for streaming. I'm a whore for being in front of the camera whatsoever. Ever since I was a kid, even like on my parents' old, like it would record to like the little mini cassette, like mini VHSs, and I'd make like skate videos and like, oh God, those were the days when I realized that I wanted to be an entertainer. But yes, so these aren't going to be super detailed videos. Well, I shouldn't say that. They are not going to be super, like, what I consider works of art in my eyes, because that's why I would spend so much time on them, getting B-roll and stuff like that for, like, tech reviews, because that's what took all the time. Sitting here talking in front of the camera took probably 10 minutes. Reviewing something took a little bit longer, writing up the script and everything. The mini fridge just turned on. Ignore that. I forgot to... But yes, the thing that kind of pushed me towards this is that my state actually just put in a stay-at-home mandate for the next 3 weeks, which doesn't really affect me. As you all know, I did recently get a job that is work from home, so I'm all good. I'm very thankful for that. Things could still go bad, but with what I'm working in, I don't think it's going to. But Amber's home for the next few weeks, so that takes a lot of the pressure off me to having do stuff around the house that I normally would have to do. But her being home means that I have a lot less stress on me to get everything done than I normally would. because she's already told me she wants to do a bunch of stuff that I would normally do because she's going to be bored otherwise. Don't let her lie to you. She's going to be playing Animal Crossing for 3 weeks. I know it. But yes, basically, I want to finish this up really quick. What I'm saying is that I'm coming back. It's not going to be as a tech review channel. I guess what I want this channel to be is whatever project I'm working on. I do have some hardware projects right down there that I'm working on. I'm working on a server closet coming up here pretty soon. I plan on having a Minecraft server. It's a modded Minecraft server. It might be available to the public. I don't know. And considering, if you guys have interest, write down in the comments. Tell me if you guys would have interest in joining that Minecraft server. It'll be RL Craft, I think is what Trent said he wanted to do. And that would be something that I would set up basically a domain name so that you guys can just type that in instead of giving IPs out. But anyways, which still doesn't protect it, but that's another story. I've got a NAS down here that I'm building from parts between different PCs. It's got hotspot bays and everything, so it's what I've wanted in a NAS for a while. I've wanted a NAS for a long time. But getting all that set up, maybe I'll shoot a video about that because I do want to just record my projects. That's the biggest thing for this. Coding projects, stuff that I'm learning, vlogs, whatever I want to do is what I want to put up on this channel. I just miss making content. And especially right now, like I'm working on stuff, like even if it's just a video of me talking about like what I'm working on for the week or like what I'm working on for the month. Right now, like I said, I'm working on a lot of like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, that kind of stuff. I'm learning different libraries. And I'm really enjoying web development, and I'm kind of thinking that might be where I end up in the future. I just need this kind of release to be able to vent in front of a camera because you guys know, like I said, I'm an entertainer. That's my personality, guys. I love entertaining people. So I'll just say welcome back, everybody. Welcome me back. Thank you. Woo! Good to be back. Good to be back. I missed you guys. I really have, especially the ones that didn't get a chance to follow me over to Twitch. I know it's been a while since we've talked. Definitely comment down below telling me how things have been. And subscribe. I want to say follow because of Twitch, but make sure you subscribe if you aren't already. And I will see you guys whenever I make another video. Please like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you disliked it. I'm trying to get back into the habit of all this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video where I undoubtedly ramble for like 10 minutes about whatever I'm doing. So, thanks!